Okay, how to fix Wi-Fi connection? Click on search, type here run, click run, and type command what you can see on the screen, services MCS, click on enter. Okay, next scroll down the page, locate Wi-Fi direct, right click, click on start. Okay, next. Right click. You should check if running. Yeah. If running, then skip. Network connections. Right click. Running. Okay. Next. Next, click on search, type task manager, click on it. Here click file, new task, type. Click on browse. And here we need to locate CMD folder. Just follow my directions and locate this CMD. Okay, so here it is. You can copy, click on create run as administrator, click on OK. Okay, so here you need to type few commands. First one is net s WinSub reset, type it and hit on enter. Okay. Next command what you should type is winnet reset catalog and click on enter. And one more command what you should type, you can see that on the screen. Type it and click on enter as well. Okay, I will clean screen and we'll type few more commands. First one is ipconfig release and hit enter. Okay, and the next one command is ipconfig renew. So click on enter once type. Okay, done. Okay, so let's type one more command, ipconfig /dns and click on enter. Okay, done. So let's close screen. Click on search, type here device manager, click on it. Here in device manager, expand network adapters, right click, click on update driver, select browse my computer for drivers. Let me select from list, select first one, click on OK. Okay, so here is the driver. Okay, scan for driver changes. Okay, let's close the window now. Next you can do type search, go to control panel, click on it. Let's show large icons, internet options advanced, and here you need to select some these certificates, click on apply. Okay, type here view net. So here it is, right click, just so we need to select wireless adapter, but for me it's Ethernet. Okay, right click and click on properties. Internet protocol, select use following DNS and type following numbers 888 everywhere and 44, yeah. Click on OK. And that's it, guys.